Hi, I'm Sabrina.
And I'm Franziska, and today we will be making art out of string.
And this is an example of one that's already been completed, but we'll show you how to do it. All you need is some string, some scissors, a glue stick, paper, and colored pencils for this craft.
So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna get some string, and you can do it about 2 feet or however long you want. And you can always get your parents to help you cut the scissors or cut with the scissors.
And then what we'll be doing is we'll be shaping our string on the paper. And so I'm gonna be working on making a bunny.
And I'm gonna try to make a snail. And you can make any shape you want.
Yeah.
So once you have it shaped, all you have to do is you can start coloring it in.
It's okay if it's a little abstract, because you are playing with string. And so then you can
make it all as colorful as you want. And then once you're done coloring it, you can take away the string and use your glue stick to trace where you colored, so you know where to put the glue. And
then you can replace your string
where you had it beforehand. So right outside where you colored, to create your colored shape. And there we have it. There's my snail. And once you're done coloring, you can always add little details like eyes or like a smile. And then you can write your name.
So add a nose.
And what you created.
Mouth. Exactly. And there you have it.
There's our creations.
Bye.